Welcome to WR Company Green Team. Our goal and passion is to popularize the green technologies, in particular, personal vertical gardens. We want to achieve this by innovative, thoughtful, engineered, and intelligent solutions. We invite you to discover our unique proposal for everyday communing with nature in the affordable and aesthetic form, minimizing maintenance works to the level where they become a pleasure rather than another duty. Yes, it is really possible. Vertical garden for everyone. There are many and varied benefits that a vertical garden provides to us. Aesthetic qualities. Nature introduction into our living space. Relaxing and anti-stress effect. Enrichment of the atmosphere with oxygen and reduction of carbon dioxide content. Removal of pollutants from the atmosphere, including components of smog and volatile organic compounds. Elimination of harmful effects of microorganisms and allergens, eliminating the so-called electromagnetic smog. Natural regulation of air humidity. Acoustic barrier silencing of rooms. Living space saving. Many of us have encountered a vertical garden at an airport, in a shopping mall, or an exclusive hotel. This is usually accompanied by subconscious and irresistible admiration, which is a natural consequence of the origin of man and the primary need to commune with nature. What if we had nature at our fingertips, in our everyday living space? No, it is certainly expensive, requires permanent interference, is time-consuming, and impractical. The above dilemma is the direct genesis of the creation of WR Company Green Team. So, what makes VIRIDI Garden Vertical Garden by WR Company Green Team different and innovative? VIRIDI Garden Vertical Garden is designed in the do-it-yourself formula. It comes in 2 compact packages. They contain all the components of the garden and detailed instructions for assembly, which you can do yourself with basic manual skills and typical tools such as a screwdriver, similar to the assembly of other furniture products. VIRIDI Garden is designed according to the principles of lean design, creating value for the customer while being aware of the highest efficiency. It is modern, stylish, minimalist, and aesthetic design. It fits perfectly in any interior, regardless of its character. VIRIDI Garden does not require any dedicated, specialized preparation of the environment, and it is immediately ready for use. It is an independent, freestanding, and self-supporting piece of furniture. Its installation does not use a wall as a load-bearing element. No direct access to running water, sewerage system, or electricity is required too. VIRIDI Garden maintenance effort is limited and simplified as much as possible. The VIRIDI Garden module is designed to minimize any cleaning activities. The optimal slope of the pot containers prevents dirt from getting outside. A single pot container holds 3 standard production pots, 0.8 liters each, a set of which is supplied with the garden. In total, one vertical garden module consists of 14 pot containers that hold 42 plants. The design of the module within its foot allows easy access for both classic and rotary mops and typical cleaning equipment such as hand or robotic hoovers. VIRIDI Garden Vertical Garden has a modular structure. This means that individual modules can be combined to create a green wall of any width being a multiple of a single module. VIRIDI Garden has a unique pot container system. It creates a fully watertight arrangement. Each pot container includes 2 overflow nozzles. For the watering purpose, the water is fed into the topmost pot container only. Once the water level in the upper pot container is set and the plants can be irrigated, the water flows down to the lower one through an overflow by gravity. The bottommost pot container is protected by a drain tray equipped with 1 external nozzle. The irrigation is stopped when water appears in a vessel placed at the outlet of the drain tray external nozzle, which means that all pot containers are water-filled and the plants are irrigated. It takes on average only 10 minutes to irrigate 42 plants of the single VIRIDI Garden module. Let's see how the VIRIDI Garden irrigation works step by step. Before you start watering your plants, it is a good idea to use a mat to protect the floor. For the time of irrigation, the plug closing the drain tray external nozzle should be removed and a dedicated vessel included in the garden equipment should be placed at its outlet. Water can be applied to the topmost pot container using standard watering can or semi-automatically using the VIRIDI Garden semi-automated watering kit. The drain tray has the ability to accumulate a certain amount of water. Then, it overflows through a dedicated external nozzle. The appearance of the first quantities of water in the vessel is an indicator of full irrigation of the garden. At this point, water application to the topmost pot container should be stopped. When the flow of water from the drain tray external nozzle stops, its opening should be plugged. Plug drain tray external nozzle. Congratulations! Your vertical garden is fully irrigated now. It was easy and quick, wasn't it? Each pot container has the ability to accumulate a certain amount of water, which irrigates the plants after watering too. Therefore, VIRIDI Garden usually needs to be irrigated on a 2-week basis. What is minimizing maintenance works needed? Summarize. VIRIDI Garden is an innovative approach to vertical gardens. It allows the population of green walls in our living space. It's designed as a commonly available freestanding piece of furniture and does not require any permanent interference in the space it is placed in. VIRIDI Garden maintenance is limited and simplified as much as possible, including a unique and effective overflow watering feature. At present, the following work has been carried out. One side VIRIDI Garden module has been designed using CAD tools. 2 prototypes of VIRIDI Garden have been built and rigorously tested. The manufacturing documentation and detailed assembly manual have been issued, taking the prototype's test results into account. Subcontractors were found and qualified. The supply chain for the vertical garden elements was organized. A trial series of 50 VIRIDI Garden modules has been manufactured. VIRIDI Garden Design View was registered in European Union Intellectual Property Office, number 008-453-500. The dedicated VIRIDI Garden website has been created. Product promotion on dedicated social media platforms, Facebook and Instagram, has been launched. VIRIDI Garden's online sales have started with excellent customer reviews. The VIRIDI Garden semi-automatic watering system has been developed, tested and offered for sale. Water is applied to the topmost pot container with use of a high-quality, low-voltage, effective and safe electric pump. What next? What are the funds needed for? How should the product and business be developed? Independent manufacturing of the main VIRIDI Garden elements. Independence from external vendors. The trial product series showed significant areas for improvement of production efficiency, lowering the cost and consequently increasing the popularity of VIRIDI Garden. Giving jobs to local people. Creating a friendly workplace where everyone feels a part of the WR Company Green Team family. Introduction of a wider range of VIRIDI Garden products. This includes the module with double-sided, front and rear plants arrangement, different sizes of product, for example for herbs cultivation, different color versions on customers' request. Development of a matrix LED lighting system for a vertical garden with Wi-Fi module and controlled via Android and iOS smartphone application. Offering delivery of vertical garden plants. Providing installation and maintenance services for business customers. Option of vertical gardens lease. Green wall on demand. Development of an intelligent and fully automatic smart watering system. A key area of VIRIDI Garden product development based on the expectations of our customers and present experience. The intelligent and fully automatic vertical garden irrigation system, VIRIDI Garden Smart Watering Kit, will be an evolution of the currently offered and proven VIRIDI Garden semi-automated watering kit. In particular, the high-quality 12V low-voltage, effective and safe electric submersible pump and elastic water pipeline are used. In addition, the system will include a dedicated and slim water tank which will be located at the back of the garden, and it will be hidden in this way, thus maintaining the highest aesthetics of the garden. The water tank will contain a 12V submersible pump fitted with a sponge filter on the suction side. The pump delivers water to the topmost pot container via an elastic pipeline. The water flows down through the watertight pot container's overflow system by gravity. The bottommost pot container is protected by a drain tray equipped with an external nozzle connected to the water tank. The irrigation will be stopped when the water appears in a drain tray. 2 independent electric conductivity sensors will be responsible for the irrigation process stopping. When water-specific electric conductivity will be measured, the power supply to the pump will be cut off. The volume of the water tank will be sufficient for 3 full irrigation cycles, for example, approximately 6 weeks. This makes it possible to irrigate your garden while you are away from home, for example, on holiday. The VIRIDI Garden Smart Watering Kit will be internet connected via Wi-Fi access, and it will include an online camera located in the bottom part of the garden. The dedicated Android and iOS applications will have the following main features. A. Water level in the tank, ultrasonic measurement. B. 12V pump power supply voltage. C. Soil moisture measurement at 3 locations, top, middle, and bottom of the garden. D. Ambient temperature measurement. E. Irrigation schedule definition. F. Date and time of the last irrigation cycle and irrigation history. G. Reminder of the irrigation cycle coming. H. Online camera view. I. Manual irrigation switch on, switch off. J. LED lighting system control.